How to repost on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can repost on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to repost on TikTok, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the TikTok application here, and then let's say you like a certain video, you would like to share them again, which is basically called repost. For that, all you have to do is just tap on this arrow icon from the bottom right of the screen, and once you tap the arrow icon from the bottom right, you'll find this option right here known as repost. Right, so all you have to do is tap the repost option here, and you got to just tap on the OK option, and this video will get successfully reposted. If you want to remove the repost, you can come here and then just come to this icon and then remove the repost as well. This way you can go ahead and then basically repost on TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.